my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So I am shooting this video in March 2022 and my brother's wedding is coming in April 2022. So for the Bharat, I have decided to wear this outfit on the wedding day, and for the same I decided to make this beautiful earrings and mangtikka set to match with this outfit. So I thought why not to make tutorial video on the same. So here I am with a new tutorial video on this beautiful earrings and mangtikka set. I'll definitely upload a short video when I wear this earrings and mangtikka set on this dress. But till the time, you enjoy this video and make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And now let's start.
So the material required is square kundans, agate beads, canvas sheet, log beads, pearl beads, small eye pins. We need is earring dangle for mangtikka, then earring stud and pages, Fevibond glue, then cutter, plier and scissor. First of all, we will take the square size canvas and we'll stick the square kundans with the help of Fevibond glue. So if you want, you can also take fabric glue or Fevicol, but in my opinion it takes time to dry Fevicol or fabric glue, so I am using this one so that it will be faster for me to make earrings. We will make square of 5 by 5. See, I told you this glue dries up very fast, so we have to be very quick now. So guys, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video. I will add glue in smaller portion and in one line and stick kundans to it, as the glue dries very fast, and then again I have to apply glue to the canvas, so it will be the waste of glue and time also. If you carefully follow all the steps as mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make these earrings and mangtikka set. Okay, so I have finished 2 lines of kundans. Similarly, we have to complete rest 3 lines to make a square of 5 by 5. So I'll do that off camera and come back to you. So we have made square of 5 by 5. Now I will cut extra canvas sheet. Make sure to cut it very properly and to have a very good finishing, and also ensure to cut it from back side so that it will be easy for us to cut in the edges. Now I'm immediately going to add eye pins to this. So we are going to add 10 eye pins in total. So first of all, we start from this angle. You can start from anywhere from this or this, and so we'll stick 1 eye pin here and 4 to left side and 4 to right side. So make sure that only whole of eye pin remains outside and the rest part will remain inside to have a proper finishing. Guys, I also have an Instagram page wherein I regularly share beautiful designs of handmade earrings. So I'm giving its link in the description below. Make sure to check out that page, and if you like that collection, do follow us on Instagram. So if you see the design first, we have one more square here, and to attach that we'll add one eye pin to the upside, and then we'll again add lots of glue to this. We are adding a glue here again because we have to make sure that the eye pins will stick very properly, and then we'll add the canvas to this. We'll keep this for drying for a while. Also, if you have seen, there is a one small square stud to the upside, so we'll do that. So I'm using this small canvas because this stud is only 2 by 2, so this can be easily adjusted on this small canvas. And also this small canvas sheet will get used, it won't get trashed. So we have made this 2 by 2 stud. We'll cut this extra part now, and we'll carefully add earring stud and eye pin to this. We have to be carefully cut this because this is very small in size. And make sure that you are using small size eye pin because this square is very small. So again, take Fevibond glue and apply stud and eye pin to this. So make sure the stud and eye pin are sticking properly here. Now we will add canvas. So to add the canvas, we'll do a jugaad, that is, first of all we'll insert a stud in the canvas and then we will stick this canvas over this stud. If you want, you can again apply the glue, as the glue dries up very fast. We may have to reapply it again and again. Once it dries up, we'll cut the extra canvas and make sure that your eye pin is coming to one corner and not to the edges. It will take few minutes to dry up, so till the time we will make earring dangles. So to make dangles we need agate beads, log beads, laria. So we already have this half laria. We will insert one log bead in this, and then we will insert one agate bead. So you can see the sequence. This is the sequence. Now we will make a loop of this So just wrap this, like make a loop like this and wrap this laria to the same, so that our L'Oreal kind of bead is ready. So we need 10 agate beads like this. So I have already made 10 of them. So now we will add these beads to this earring stud. So we will open the loops of the eye pin and we'll add them. So you can see I have added one agate bead. Now we have to add to all of them, so we'll do that. Okay, so I have added these agate beads and we are almost done. Now we will add this stud which we have made earlier to this big stud. So open the eye pin of this small stud carefully and check the kundans are coming on the front. And also make sure to close the loop very properly, otherwise if it remains half open it will fall down. And with this beautiful earrings are ready. Oh, so this one bead fall away, so that's okay, we'll attach it. And it's great that we came to know our mistakes earlier so that we can improve them immediately and our clients won't get any trouble. So with this beautiful earrings are ready. So I have already made another one. Now as you seen in the intro, there is a mangtikka too. So I have followed very similar steps to make the mangtikka. That is, I made this kundan stud and add this agate beads. Then to this upper side eye pin, I attach these pearl beads with the help of beading wire, and then in the end I attach this earring dangle so that we can attach this mangtikka to our hairs. So with this this beautiful mangtikka set is ready. Isn't it very beautiful and very pretty mangtikka and earring set? So do make this one and let me know how do you like my video through comments and likes. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for further updates. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.